lawyers, today is 5 surprising tips for using video to increase signups with meta ads. You know, in the dynamic world of digital marketing, leveraging video content in meta ads has really become a game changer, especially for lawyers. At GoMedia Marketing Productions, we have observed significant shift in the effectiveness of longer videos, more personable videos, especially compared to these short form ads. I'm running ads right now that are long form and short form right against each other, A/B testing, and the long form ads are pretty much winning. So here are 5 essential tips tailored for lawyers aiming to harness the power of video in your meta ad campaigns. Embrace authenticity. So while you might think that producing a very short ad is the way to go, in the realm of meta ads, according to my real data today, authenticity is reigning supreme on pretty much all fronts. Potential clients, they seek genuine connections with professionals they're considering. Longer videos provide the opportunity to showcase your authenticity. Be yourself on camera, share your personal insights, and demonstrate the passion you have for your practice area. Authenticity builds trust and credibility, which are essential elements for converting leads into actual clients. Tell compelling stories. Storytelling is a potent tool in marketing, especially for lawyers. I want you to craft compelling narratives that highlight successful case studies, client testimonials, or your firm's journey. Engage viewers emotionally by showcasing real life situations where they can see themselves in the outcome and the good solution that you offer. This is where your expertise really makes a difference. Emphasize the human aspect of your legal practice, making your services relatable and memorable. Educate and inform. Longer videos allow you to delve deep into legal topics, providing valuable insights and advice. Now, I'll just say, most people don't know the difference between a good idea and what the law can actually offer them. We want you to educate your audience about common legal issues, recent changes in legislation, or just plain their legal rights in your practice area. By positioning yourself as a knowledgeable resource, you not only attract potential clients seeking information, but also establish yourself as an expert in your field. This makes viewers want to trust you and reach out to you. Encourage interaction. Engagement is key in meta ads. By the way, if you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe to my videos. You want to encourage your viewers' engagement with your content. One way to do that is asking questions so that they'll share their experiences, or seeking legal advice in the comments section. You want to talk to them and make it a back and forth communication. Actively respond to these interactions. That fosters a sense of community around your brand, and meaningful engagement. It not only builds trust, but it keeps your firm at the forefront of your potential clients' minds when they need legal assistance. Optimize for conversion. Okay, while longer videos are more personable and more effective, according to my data right now, it's crucial to optimize them for conversion. And what I mean by that is include clear calls to action. In marketing, we call those CTAs. Promoting viewers to contact your firm, visit your website, message us now, or schedule a consultation is really important. And you want to place these calls to action strategically throughout the video and in the video description. Additionally, track the performance of your meta ads, analyzing metrics to refine your approach and enhance conversion rates continually. And what I mean by that is you want to keep refining them until you're signing clients for the least amount of money possible. Incorporating these tips into your meta ad strategy can transform your video content into a powerful tool for generating leads and converting them into actual, real, satisfied clients. By embracing authenticity, storytelling, education, interaction, and strategic optimization, or CTAs, lawyers can effectively connect with their audience and make a lasting impression in this competitive digital landscape. Remember, marketing takes time to get up and running. to get you signing clients for the least amount of money. The time to start is when you're super busy, not when things have dried up, because it does take time. You don't want to be starting your marketing when you're in a desperate situation. So reach out to me anytime with your questions or inspiration. It might feel kind of scary to reach out to someone you don't really know, but I'd love to hear from you and give you the best information possible to help you decide what's going to work best for your law firm. Okay, reach out soon and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.